Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Vinny the Handyman. Today's video is a short instructional video on how to adjust your backflow valve in your home. If you guys are hearing like a loud whistling sound or a train going through your house, this video is for you. Now sometimes the backflow preventer valves go out, but typically you just have to adjust them a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in today's video. Okay, so we're downstairs in the basement. We got our backflow preventer here. So you're hearing that loud sound every time you turn on a faucet or you flush a toilet. You're gonna get this sound right now. Now the reason why it's on is because I have the faucet running. So when you turn the faucet off, then you'll hear the pressure die down on the valve, okay? So what we're gonna do is turn on the water. Now we could do two things to this valve here. We could replace it, or you could adjust the set screw right here until that sound goes away. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, you wanna unscrew this. So basically all you need is some pliers. You could use channel locks, crescent wrench, whatever it takes to turn this bolt. So in this case, we're gonna go clockwise. And then you can tighten down the little nut here. Okay, so that's all it took to have that sound stop. So now when you turn off the water, you turn it back on, we're not getting any issues. Right now we still have the sink going, so we're looking pretty good. So again, if this works and then it continues to fail on you down the road, then just replace this backflow valve. I believe these are about 150, 200 bucks. If you have a plumber come out, this could be an easy $1,500 to $2,000 fix. That's just a ballpark. Okay, so this is just a quick instructional video for you guys at home who can't afford to pay that big bill. Just come downstairs, adjust this backflow preventer, and you guys will be rocking and rolling. So again, do this first before you replace it, and you guys should be in good shape. All right, guys? Again, my channel is to help the novice homeowner when it comes to home repairs. If you're starting out a handyman business, you will get calls like this. So again, this is just information for you guys. Short little video on how to save some money. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. Hope you guys are able to follow along. Again, it was just a real quick adjustment on your backflow preventer. Try that first before you take the next steps. And you know, if you guys aren't sure of what you're doing, then obviously hire a licensed plumber. You guys will be just fine. All right, with that said, stay confident, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.